Welcome to Peak Environmental, the landscape construction professionals. We invite you to experience our new Landscape Design Center, where transformation begins. Make an appointment to come and explore the materials and finishes for your next project. Our landscape professionals will guide you through our simple three-step design-build process, where you can finalize the details of your small renovation or your large-scale outdoor living space project. Browse over 50 natural stone and concrete paver materials. Enjoy the ambiance of an outdoor audio system. See our robotic mowers in action and check out our native plantings and eco-friendly landscape materials. The Design Center at Peak Environmental is where modern innovation and natural beauty come to life. Don't wait another season. Visit us and finalize the details of your project today.